This video will demonstrate how to align the spray head on a SmartWAVE combo coffee tea brewer. Bonomatic recommends deliming your coffee brewer periodically. The actual frequency of deliming depends on the mineral content of the water you use. Note in hard water areas this may need to be done daily. Unplug the brewer and let it cool down before proceeding. Remove the brew funnel and then remove the spray head by turning it counterclockwise and set it aside. With the spray head removed, insert the deliming spring into the spray head tube. When inserted properly, no more than 10 inches of spring should be visible. Saw back and forth 5 or 6 times and then remove the spring. Check the holes in the spray head. If plugged by line, they may be cleared using the short end of the spray head cleaning tool. Rinse the spray head with water before reinstalling it. Use the short end of the spray head cleaning tool to the hole free from debris. Wipe down the spray head panel with a clean damp cloth. Reinstall the spray head by hand tightening it in a clockwise pattern. Plug in the brewer and allow the water to reheat before using.